Imagine a world where your skincare routine is as simple as stepping into your kitchen. No long chemical names, no harsh synthetics, just pure, powerful ingredients straight from nature. But do these natural remedies really work? Science says yes. Let's dive into the fascinating world of natural beauty and explore the science-backed secrets behind these incredible ingredients. Beauty in the everyday. The beauty industry is filled with complex formulas and synthetic chemicals, but consumers today are shifting toward a more natural approach. Why? People are becoming increasingly aware of what they put on their skin and how it affects their health. Natural beauty products offer gentle yet effective solutions, free from harmful additives. Why the sudden shift? Concerns about the long-term effects of synthetic ingredients. A growing preference for eco-friendly and sustainable beauty solutions. A desire for simplicity, ingredients that are pure, safe, and effective. The demand for natural beauty products has skyrocketed as more individuals seek alternatives that nourish their skin while staying true to nature. But do these ingredients really work? Science has the answers. Scientifically supported benefits. Natural ingredients aren't just old wives' tales, they are backed by science. Many kitchen staples and plant-based extracts have proven benefits for skin and hair care. Here are some of the most powerful natural ingredients and the science behind them. Powerhouse ingredients with proven effects. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and rosehip oil, brightens skin, boosts collagen production, and reduces dark spots. Hyaluronic acid, naturally found in aloe vera, deeply hydrates and plumps the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Aloe vera soothes irritation, fights inflammation, and accelerates wound healing. Turmeric, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that combats acne and hyperpigmentation. Honey, naturally antibacterial, helps with acne treatment, and keeps the skin moisturized. Myth versus reality. There's a common misconception that natural ingredients aren't as powerful as their synthetic counterparts. However, studies have shown that many natural compounds work just as effectively, if not better, without the risks of harsh chemicals. Unlocking your kitchen cabinet, DIY natural beauty recipes. Believe it or not, some of the best beauty remedies are already sitting in your kitchen. Here are some easy and effective DIY beauty treatments. 1 hydrating honey and yogurt face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoon yogurt. How to use: mix the ingredients and apply them to your face for 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water. This mask soothes and deeply hydrates your skin. 2 brightening turmeric and lemon face pack. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. How to use: apply this mixture to your skin for 10 minutes and rinse with cool water. It helps to brighten your complexion and reduce dark spots. 3 aloe vera and coconut oil hair mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. How to use: massage onto your scalp and leave for 30 minutes before rinsing. This deeply nourishes your hair, leaving it silky and strong. These natural remedies are simple, effective, and free from harmful chemicals. Plus, they save money while delivering salon-quality results. Beyond the hype, ethical and sustainable beauty. While natural beauty is gaining popularity, it's essential to ensure that these ingredients are sourced responsibly. Sustainability and ethical production play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of natural beauty products. Why does sustainability matter? Overharvesting natural resources can harm ecosystems. Ethical sourcing ensures fair wages for farmers and producers. Sustainable production minimizes the environmental impact of beauty products. When choosing natural beauty products, look for brands that prioritize fair trade, cruelty-free testing, and sustainable packaging. Being mindful of what you buy not only benefits your skin but also the planet. Embracing the natural way. It's time to rethink beauty and embrace the power of nature. Whether it's through DIY remedies or choosing clean beauty products, Small changes can have a lasting impact on your skin, health, and the environment. Your takeaway? Nature provides powerful, science-backed beauty solutions. DIY beauty treatments are easy, effective, and chemical-free. Sustainability and ethics matter when choosing natural products. By making informed choices and embracing natural beauty, you can enhance your skincare routine in a healthier and more sustainable way. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of natural beauty? Watch now and transform your beauty routine. Want to see these ingredients in action? Watch our video to learn how to create simple yet powerful natural beauty treatments at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @HealthEnWealth for more amazing content.